Hello everyone and welcome to a new project. This is a Nissan Largo Japanese import vehicle. It's got full body kit, wheels being changed, boots being flushed, door locks are being flushed, aerials being taken out and flushed. Lots of things happening on this vehicle. So we picked this up a fair while ago now. It's been sitting in the yard for a while, but we decided it's time to get it finished. So this is what we're about to do. So I'm going to have to get you up to date with some photos because I've already started this one. So I'll bring you up to date and then we'll carry on with the vehicle from there. So I'll put some photos in now and then we'll go from there. Okay, so this is what the vehicle looked like when we bought it. This is not the exact vehicle, but it's the same model. It's the only picture I could find on the internet, and I don't have any pictures of when I bought mine. But it's exactly the same, apart from I had graphics all the way down the sides. So this is how we started. So we'll carry on. Okay, so you can see what we're dealing with now. Well, I've been struggling to get wheels for this vehicle for a while, but I've just done a 250 plus mile journey to go and get these. And they got Toyo Proxy tyres on, £600 worth, which is nice. So I'm going to get these wheels painted up and we're going to get them on it. I'll get this one clean, I've done the other three already. And we'll take it from there. These are fairly clean already, so I'm just using a bit of engine cleaner. Just basically to get the dirt off, so I can sand them down ready to be painted. Simple as that. Get my brush on there, give them a scrub. By the way, I have got all the centre caps wrong. Just took them off to clean them. Simple as that, that's all I need. Quick blast with the jet wash now. And that's as simple as that, really. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so that's all four wheels there. Put the centre cap in one so you get the idea of what they're like. They're actually a matte black at the moment, which does look quite nice, but I'm going to be going for a black with a silver metal flake on top. As I said before, the tyres are brand new. That was an absolute bargain. Right, so let's carry on. I'm going to let them dry for a little while and then it's time to sand them down. Okay, so we move on to the bodywork. I've spent many weeks flattening this down, flushing off panels, welding in plates where locks used to be, aerials used to be and stuff like that. Getting all the bodywork ready, straightening everything out, having to put a few skims of filler here and there. There was no rot whatsoever because this is a very low mileage vehicle and it just hasn't rotten whatsoever. Same with all the floors, they're like brand new. But as you can see in the photos, I've got round it. I've got everything starting to go into primer. It's just starting to look good. All the body kit's all nice and straight, no cracks, no scrapes, scuffs or anything like that. They've all been done. and that's ready to be fully primed now. The roof's been done, as you can see here. It's all looking good. Took the boot off and we've flushed the whole panel right across the back of the boot. Done all around the edges, little bits of rust and stuff that just where the bolts go on and things like that, they've all been sorted out. As you can see in these pictures here. As I said, we've also flushed the whole of the back of the boot, which you can see in this picture. It's one big curve now, which I think looks much better than what it did before. I've also had to straighten out all the doors and stuff like that, and down the panels, because there was a few ripples here and there and a few dents from obviously use and the age of the vehicle. We then moved on to the front grille and the twin headlights around and stuff like that. Got them all prepped and they're now in primer, as you can see. Both sides are done. I've also done both door mirrors. So all in primer, ready to be painted. And here's the doors. Locks have been took out of all the doors apart from the driver's door. So here we go. So as you can see, I've been working very hard on this vehicle in the background while showing you other vehicles. I can't bring every car to the channel because I'm obviously working on 2 or 3 vehicles at a time most of the time. But I'll try to sort that out in the future. But I think I've got you up to speed now. So we'll move on with this video and go from there. I think we'll stop there and that'll be the introduction to this one. And then number 2 we'll carry on and hopefully get some paint and stuff like that on the vehicle and move on with it quickly. This will only be like a 2 or 3 part series because, as I say, a lot of this vehicle's already done. So there isn't too much to show, but I just thought I'd catch you up and let you see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video, which hopefully will be tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the new project, and hopefully you'll see me back on the ZS fairly soon, or I can update you with what's been going on with that one. Okay, thanks a lot, see you soon.